best thing that I can here to try and sort of offload the information that I've gathered over the last 6 to 8 years in nutrition and strength and conditioning, and specifically how it relates to us in the fire service, because it is different. We are, a sort of a microcosm of what you see in the rest of the country and the rest of the world. However, the real world problems that we have are sort of magnified compared to everything else. We have, stress issues, and we have sleep issues, and we have all of that stuff that everyone else has at home, and then we have a whole nother level of it at work, and it tends to play a pretty big part in the reason why we all die of heart disease.